Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are watching me from. You are welcome back to my channel, Smart Idea TV. My name still remains Lookman. Today, we are going to be looking at 7 spiritual items that should never leave your home. These spiritual items are things that you need in case of emergency and in case of your everyday spiritual need. You don't want them to be missing in your home at any point in time. If it's something you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. The first spiritual item that we're going to be looking at is salt. Salt is so common that a lot of people take it for granted. But this is something that should never leave your home. Salt. Yes, I mean salt. Salt is something that should never leave your home. You must continually have salt in your home. One, apart from the spiritual implication, you use salt on a daily basis for our cookings. And if you use salt for cookings, it means the absence of salt in the kitchen or in the home means most of the food will not be sweet. And spiritually, it means poverty, it means drought, it means barrenness. So if you don't have salt in the home, it means you are lacking and it spells poverty. So you must continually ensure that you have salt in the home. You know, you can use salt for so many spiritual purposes. Apart from using it to sweeten your food, sweeten it to preserve things, you also have salt for spiritual purposes like cleansing. Use salt for cleansing yourself and for cleansing your home. The second spiritual item that should never leave your home or should never finish in your house is sugar. People feel sugar is just sugar. Actually, sugar is sugar, but spiritually, sugar means sweetness. If you don't have sweetness in your life, that means you are lacking some things. Apart from the fact that you use sugar in the home to sweeten our drinks, our tea, and the rest, sugar spiritually means sweetener. It means your life is sweet. And if you don't have sugar in your home, you should never allow sugar to finish in your home, by the way. Sugar should not leave your home, should never finish from the house, because it means spiritual. It also means spiritual barrenness. If you don't have sugar, it means you don't have anything. So you must make sure sugar does not finish in your house. And you know, you can use sugar for also to sweeten your life. You know, there is a bath called spiritual bath of sugar. Apart from the fact that we have spiritual bath of salt, we also have spiritual bath of sugar. You can check the description to see more on the videos we've done talking about sugar and salt. So the third one that we are going to be looking at is charcoal. I know so many people does not know charcoal, because to them charcoal is just charcoal, apart from the fact that they use it to cook. But charcoal has so many spiritual benefits, apart from the fact that it also has health benefits. If somebody is poisoned, it just means a little bit of charcoal. Just grind it and put a little bit in a spoon inside a cup of glass water, mix it and let that person drink. It can eliminate these toxins or poison from the body. You can also use it. You can also use charcoal to clean your teeth. You can use it for beauty purposes, to apply on your face to clean pimples and the rest. But that is just the beauty aspect and the health aspect. The spiritual aspect of charcoal is so much that you cannot finish it in just one video like this. So never allow charcoal. You can even use it in the kitchen. If you prepare a food, this one is very new. If you prepare a food and maybe you don't have light, just like we know we are in Nigeria, you don't have light, you can, and you don't want your food to go sour, you can put charcoal. Or if the soup is already smelling sourness, just put a block of charcoal in the food and wait till the next day and see what will happen, because it has a lot of spiritual purpose, a lot of spiritual power that eliminate that sourness from your food. That's about charcoal. So you don't allow charcoal to finish from your house. Another spiritual item that should not leave your house is alligator pepper. I know a lot of people might not even know this, but except those who are spiritually inclined. Alligator pepper should never leave your home. You can use alligator pepper in different ways. You can use it to eliminate negative energy in the house. You can use it to stop bad dreams. You can use it to gain more customers. You can use it to gain more to gain good luck and favor from people. So this spiritual item is also very important. That is alligator pepper, which is the fourth one. The fifth one that I won't forget to mention is honey. Honey is so important that I can't do without honey. If you go to my house 20 anytime, just I will have, even if it is just little like this, I don't even allow it to get to little before I feel it. I purchase honey all the time because it's a spiritual item that should never leave the home. Most of the spiritual items, if you check my channel, you see a lot of spiritual recipes that I've done concerning honey. It's either honey with sugar, honey with thyme, honey with coconut. I miss this a lot. Honey is very important, and most of the spiritual recipes that a lot of people give, if you check the internet, check YouTube itself, check my channel, you see most of these recipes are prepared with honey. Honey has its own power. It has its own spiritual power. And if you check the scriptures, the Bible, the Quran, you see the power of honey at work. Then there is one other one, red oil. This is the sixth one, red oil. Red oil should never finish from your house. If mistakenly somebody ingested poison or somebody ate food poisoning, just give a spoon of red palm oil. Yes, the one you use to cook. Apart from the fact that I use it to cook, just give this red palm oil for that, and you see instantly that person will get relief. And or if that person has a serious stomach upset that you don't really understand where the thing is coming from, just use red palm oil. Just take a spoon, put it in the mouth, and sometimes you can meet red palm oil with lime. Just squeeze some drops of lime orange. Just put it inside a spoon with honey. Let that person take it, and you have instant relief. Red palm oil is very, very, very important, and should never leave your house. And the last one I'm going to be talking about, this one is very powerful and must be present in your home, especially if you are married and have children. And this one is palm kernel oil. We call it the black oil. Palm kernel oil is very, very, very important. You can use it if anybody is bitten by any insect or any animal. Just use give a spoon or so of palm kernel oil. Give it to that person and rub the affected part with some bit of palm kernel oil. You see that person getting instant relief. Or if something happen, your child suddenly develop temperature, just give some spoon, just small spoon like this, give it for the child and rub it all over the body. Immediately you see that child sweating. That child will sweat. So it's very important. This one is very important. Don't joke with it. I don't joke with it. Sometimes I don't do anything. I will just rub palm kernel oil. Apart from the fact that there are other serious spiritual uses of palm kernel oil, you can use it for this immediate purpose. So these 7 items, you don't allow any of them to leave your home. Never allow them to finish from your home. So those are just few items that I feel should never leave your home. I said I will just bring you this little piece. If you are really got value, which I know you must have got value, consider subscribing. Subscribe to take this channel up. At the same time, subscribe so that you have new and very important videos like this. You'll be the first to know, to be notified. You subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and share. Give to other people. You have gotten it free. Why not give it free? Don't be stingy with information like this. They are very, very important. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.